Let's see, unboxing Bigfoot Monster 4-wheel drive. Off-road Bigfoot Monster. Made in China. But even if it's made in China, we can find out that you should dispense it wisely. Not suitable for children under 3 years old, and 100% recyclable, contains plastic and metal parts. And it's a speed climbing toy. Look, the wheels are in angle. It looks high quality plastic. Speed climbing off-road monster trucks. 3 pieces set. This looks with metal parts. The sound is finishing. And this is the pack. So we have 3 pieces. One is like that. One is like that. A Beetle. And one is a monster truck. And let's see how it's going. It will roll back on its wheel. Maybe this. You should speed up. Now let's play a little bit with them. You can arrange it with a slope. We have another slope. You can also play with it in beach sand. Back on its wheels, how I said. Back on its wheels. Let's try one more time on the direction. The wheels are on plastic and not rubber, but they are also steering wheels. Some rotatable. Okay, thank you guys for watching on Andrei Stup's channel, trying more devices for gameplay and toys.